Hey everyone, and welcome back to Anderson Kia. Today I'll be showing off the brand new, redesigned 2020 Kia Soul EX Plus in space green. Starting at the front here, this model comes equipped with automatic LED headlights, as well as LED positioning lights, LED fog lights, and a gloss black and chrome grille. Moving on, we have 17-inch alloy wheels with 4-wheel ABS disc brakes. This model also includes a heated front windshield and power heated side view mirrors with signal repeaters. Some of the safety features with this model include forward collision avoidance assist, lane keep assist, blind spot detection, and rear cross traffic alert and avoidance assist. Moving on toward the rear now, we have rear privacy tint glass, LED taillights, and a spacious cargo area with a dual level cargo floor. Heading inside now, this model comes with remote keyless entry, as well as 60/40 folding combination cloth and artificial leather seating, and a sunroof. Some other great features include Bluetooth wireless technology, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility, both USB and auxiliary input ports, and air conditioning. Looking toward the front now, we have power windows and locks, as well as heated front seats and a heated steering wheel mounted with both audio and cruise controls. This model also features a Rearview Camera on a 7-inch display, as well as Drive Mode Select and a wireless cell phone charger. Heading under the hood now, we have a 2-liter MPI 4-cylinder engine with an automatic intelligent variable transmission. For any more questions, you can contact us here.